Hi friends, I'm Viveka. Welcome back to my channel YVS Crafty Art. In today's video, I'm going to teach you the complete tutorial of crocheting this beautiful Thalposh or table mat. It's a dead easy pattern that everyone can learn very easily by following the complete detailed instructions that I have given you in this video. And I have a request for you guys. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. The total amount of yarn I've used in this project is about 20 grams of pink and 25 grams of white color and a 3 mm hook. Friends, what do you think of this crochet design? Let me know your valuable feedback in the comments below. For now, let's get started. First, we have to make a magic circle. For magic circle, we have to hold the yarn like this, insert the hook into it, yarn over, pull through and make a knot and work on 3 chain, 2 and 3. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the circle and work on 1 double crochet. For 1 double crochet, we'll get 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2. Okay, now plus 1. Again, I'm going to show you 1 double crochet. Look very carefully. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through. We'll get 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, which forms a double crochet stitch, plus 1 chain. Again, work on 1 double crochet, plus 1 chain. Again, work on 1 double crochet, plus 1 chain. Again, work on 1 double crochet, plus 1 chain. Again, work on 1 double crochet, plus 1 chain. So, till now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we got 7 spaces. Now, pull through the tail and make it tight. Okay, this way. Now work on 1 chain and make a slip stitch in the third chain, 1, 2 and 3. Make a slip stitch. Okay, totally we got 8 spaces, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we made a slip stitch. Now insert the hook into the first space and make 1 slip stitch and work on 3 chain. This 3 chain is considered as 1 double crochet. Now we are going to do the second double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Totally we have to do 7 double crochets in this first space. Now work on 1 single crochet into the next space, that is insert the hook into the next space, yarn over, pull through. You'll get 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, which makes a single crochet stitch. Now again work on 7 double crochet stitches in the next space, that is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7. Work on 1 single crochet into the next space. So far, I'll meet you in the end. Look, I have done 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. and one single stitch into the last space. Now make a slip knot in the third chain, that is of 1, 2 and 3. Make a slip knot in the third one. Now I'm going to change my color. Look, I'm changing my color into pink. Now work on 3 chain, that is 1, 2 and 3. 3 chain and insert the hook into the, it's 4 chain. Insert the hook into the space here, single crochet stitch, and work on 1 double crochet. Again work on 3 chains, work on 1 double crochet into the same stitch, again work on 2 chain and work on 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So the pattern will be formed like this, as you can see here. Now work on 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Work on 5 chain. Now into the next single crochet here, insert the hook into the single crochet and work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain. Again insert the hook into the single crochet into the same stitch and work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain. Again insert the hook into the same stitch here and work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain. Again work on 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So the pattern will be formed like this. The same like this you have to do here and here. I'll meet you in the end. Look, the pattern will come like this. Now make us work on 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain like this. Now again work on 1 slip stitch into the next space. Now work on 3 chain. Consider this 3 chain as 1 double crochet. Now work on 7 double crochets in the space, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now work on 1 single crochet into the next space. Again work on 7 double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3 and 4 into the fourth stitch here, insert the hook and work on 1 single crochet. Again yarn over and make 7 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now work on 1 single crochet into the next space. Again work on 7 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
and 7. Now count on, skip 4 stitches. There is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch and work on 1 single crochet. Again work on 7 double crochets into the next space. Like this. I'll meet you in the end. Look, till here I have done. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain, that is 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm going to change the color to white. Look, I'm changing the color to white color. Now work on 4 chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the single crochet stitch and work on 1 double crochet. The pattern will be like this. Now work on 5 chain, 4 and 5. Work on 5 chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the single crochet here in the middle and work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain. Again insert the hook into the same space and work on 1 double crochet plus 3 chain. Again work on 1 double crochet into the same space and work on 1 double crochet. Now work on 2 chain. Again work on 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now work on 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Work on 5 chain and insert the hook into the next single crochet stitch and work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain. Again insert the hook into the space, same stitch and work on 1 double crochet plus 5 chain. Again insert the hook into the single crochet here and work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain. Again work on 1 double crochet plus 3 chain. Again work on 1 double crochet plus 2 chain. Again work on 1 double crochet into the same stitch. The pattern will be formed like this and work on 1 5 chain, that is 3, 4 and 5. So continue like this, single pattern in between and 3 patterns here, single pattern in between and 3 patterns here. So I'll meet you in the end. Look, the pattern will be like this. Now I worked on 5 chain. I'm going to slip knot into the 3rd chain. Again make a slip stitch into the next space. Now work on 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Consider this 3 chain as 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count on 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 4th chain we have to work on one single crochet. Now again work on 7 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Work on 1 single crochet into the next space. Work on 7 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now skip 4 stitches, that is of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch and work on 1 single crochet. Again work 7 double crochet in the space. The same pattern, repeat the same pattern into the till the end. Look, so far we got the pattern like this. Now work on slip stitch into the 3rd chain.
Work on in this process till the end. I'll meet you in the last line of the complete pattern. Look, the pattern has been completed. A beautiful table mat has been ready. The finished product. So totally I'll show you how many lines had made. As of counting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. I have done 11 lines totally, as you can see here. Friends, I hope you understood this video. If you liked this video, found it helpful, or simply enjoyed spending time with my crochet community, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your engagement means the world to me. I value your input. What do you think of this crochet design? Let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And also, if you have any doubts regarding to this pattern, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.